Wealthfront investing for college planning is a strategic approach to saving for higher education. Expenses. To get started, create a Wealthfront account and choose the 529 College Savings Plan option. This plan offers tax benefits and flexibility in terms of investment options. First, determine how much you need to save for college by considering factors such as tuition costs, room and board, and other expenses. Wealthfront provides a college savings calculator to help estimate the required savings amount. Next, set up a regular investment schedule to transfer funds into your 529 plan. This can be done monthly or quarterly, depending on your financial situation. Wealthfront also offers automatic portfolio rebalancing to ensure your investments remain aligned with your goals. It is essential to understand the investment options available within the 529 plan. Wealthfront offers a range of low-cost index funds and ETFs, which can be tailored to your risk tolerance and investment horizon. For example, if your child is young, you may opt for a more aggressive investment portfolio, while a more conservative approach may be suitable if college is just a few years away. Wealthfront also provides tools to track your progress and adjust your investment strategy as needed. You can monitor your account balance, investment performance, and projected college savings. Additionally, Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, which can help minimize tax liabilities and maximize your returns. To maximize the benefits of Wealthfront investing for college planning, consider the following best practices. Start saving early to take advantage of compound interest, and contribute regularly to your 529 plan. It is also crucial to review and adjust your investment portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your college savings goals. By following these steps and leveraging the features and tools offered by Wealthfront, you can create a tailored college savings plan that helps you achieve your goals and secure your child's financial future.